Last time we looked at the artwork of Wayne Thiebaud and his wonderful pop art inspired by food in our popular culture. So today what we're going to do is we're going to finish our cupcake collage by adding some decoration. You will need either crayons or markers and one more small piece of paper. All right, gather your supplies and let's get started. Hello artists, I've got my paper here from the last time we worked on our Wayne Thiebaud cupcake, inspired cupcake. Wayne Thiebaud actually doesn't do a collage, he does his by painting. So we're just using the idea of making pop art out of things from popular culture like cupcakes. So what I'm going to do is decorate, and the first thing I'm going to do for decorating is to add a candy at the top, and you get to have a choice between a heart-shaped candy or a circle candy. And I'm going to use a red piece of paper. If you're at home, you can use a different color paper too. You can color it on a piece of paper and then just cut it out. If you're at school and you're wanting to make a circle, you can use something. You could just draw your circle nice and big on here. Sometimes I use the bottom of a water bottle to trace. Or if you're looking to do the heart, you can do that by folding your paper in half. And what you're going to do is you're going to, right where the fold is, you're going to draw a curve like this. Oops. And then you're going to go down to the corner. So it almost looks like a 2, doesn't it? Right there. Just the top part of the 2. So I'm going to cut on that. If you did it the wrong way, your heart will end up in 2 pieces, and then you'll just glue the 2 pieces on there. All right, so once you've got your heart or your circle cut out, then you want to glue it to the top of your frosting. Remember, if you see pencil lines, and I see a little bit right here, that's the side you want to put your glue. It's okay if it overlaps your frosting. That's how it stays on there. Keep it on your paper so that it doesn't fall off. And now we're going to add some other decorations. We need a little more decoration down here at the bottom. And I'm going to use 2 colors of markers to make a pattern. A pattern, artist, is when you switch between at least 2 things back and forth in the same order. I'm going to do what we call an A-B pattern, which means I'm only using 2 things. I'm going to use green and blue, green and blue. And I'm also going to use 2 different kinds of lines. I think I'll start off with some straight lines. I'm going to leave some space. I don't want to get my lines too close together because remember, I'm going to be putting blue in the middle. They go. Careful not to touch the frosting on this part. And then I'm going to go in the middle between my green with my blue. This time I think I'll do a broken line. You can choose different kinds of lines on yours, but remember, only 2 kinds of lines and 2 colors. Don't worry, you can use other colors in just a minute. So don't worry that you can't use all the colors, because you will be able to do that. All right, so now that I have my cupcake paper done, I'm going to put some sprinkles. And this you can put as many colors as you want. And the way you make sprinkles is by making a short line. Sometimes I make them diagonal, sometimes horizontal. Now, if you only want to have 1 color of sprinkles, that's also fine if you have a favorite color. But I'm going to be making rainbow sprinkles. So I'm going to try to make 4 or 5 of each of the colors. Let's do some purple sprinkles. And there you go. You have a wonderful collage of a cupcake inspired by the artist Wayne Thiebaud. You can use this as a decoration. I hope you've had fun decorating and making your collage, your cupcake collage with me. And remember, if you're at home, to send me a picture of it on Seesaw and definitely a picture on Artsonia. I can't wait to see what you've made today. I hope you've had fun. And until next time, bye-bye.